Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say my darling in French. How do you pronounce this phrase? We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced French vocabulary too, and names, brand names, so make sure to stay tuned. So how do you pronounce this? Mon Cherie, mon chéri, mon being of course my, and chéri meaning my dear one, the one that I cherish, really, is what it means. Mon chéri is how it is said in French. Mon chéri is my darling in French. Oops, that's a slide from a different video. Never mind, don't mind it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting French names and French vocabulary whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.